Hi, I'm Charlie Moan. I'm the Director of Product Innovation at Drivewyze.
And today I'd like to give you a quick demonstration of Drivewyze Safety Plus. So Safety Plus goes above and beyond with four main features: proactive speed alerts, parking alerts, custom zones, and safety insights. Let's dive into each one of these. Custom safety zones make it really easy for you to proactively alert drivers within risky areas specific to your fleet. Not only can you alert drivers, you can also capture driving behavior to monitor how those drivers are reacting to the alerts. Setting up custom zones is easily done through our online portal, the Drivewyze Hub. You can pick if you want to show an alert, analyze driving behavior, or do both. And then you can identify a location where you want the alert to appear. You place an alert geofence in the specific location and direction of travel where you want that alert to be shown. Next, you locate where you want to capture driving behavior. And finally, you can customize the driver message for that specific location. And that's it. Once you publish the zone, they can distribute it to drivers within an hour. So the Risk Zone Insights dashboard can be accessed through our online portal, Drivewyze Hub. And don't worry, if you have your own coaching or analytics platform, you can also use our Insights APIs to incorporate the same data that you see here back into your existing systems. So in the fleet overview section, you can see how many vehicles are subscribed. You can see at a fleet level what your speeding incident percentage is for the speed limit. That same metric we look at by zone type. So you can see for high rollover zones, for example, or speed zones or steep grades, how often are drivers going over the posted speed limit. And then ultimately you can see performance at a vehicle or driver level by looking at our high risk or low risk performers. So for example, I'm going to click on this guy right here, and I can see for the past month, this driver's had 6 risky visits, and of all 6 visits, his total speeding incident was 83%. This is definitely a driver I'd want to go talk to. And I can drill in and see the actual event breadcrumb map of how fast he was driving through that curve. Now this is a great tool to bring back to that driver and coach him on how to improve his performance. Don't forget, you can also set up custom zones where you just analyze driving behavior without showing drivers alerts. So maybe you have a hunch about areas where you think drivers might be behaving poorly. You can set up that zone, analyze it here, and then decide if you want to show an alert or not. We've mined citation and truck speed data to identify hotspots across the US where drivers need to slow down the most. When drivers enter a speed zone and they're above the speed limit, they'll be warned to reduce their speed. We've been testing these alerts, and they're proving to slow drivers down. In fact, we've seen a 27% reduction in speeding events. Also included in Safety Plus are parking availability alerts. Now, these alerts will warn drivers with real-time information about how many parking spaces are open at rest areas and other parking centers. Ultimately, we view Safety Plus is the smart way to approach driver coaching. It's a combination of in-cab proactive driving alerts and the back office risk zone insights.
For more information or to get started with Drivewyze Safety Plus, just visit us at drivewyze.com.